Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me. Today I'm sharing my project that I made for the Teri's Crafty Christmas 24 challenge. This is the kit called Blue Christmas from LineDotArrow, and when I saw this kit I was like, wow, I really want to do something I've never done before with this kit. I've never made a tag flip, and all of her pages were just so beautiful. Like, there were tags in there that were collaged already that are gorgeous. You'll see them in here. But I took her background pages and cut them into 3 large tags each. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So when you look through here, all these background pages are LineDotArrow. I've embellished them, obviously, but some of them I just couldn't touch. I had to leave them as they were because they were just gorgeous. So either who, let's get on with the flip through. So yes, it's Blue Christmas, and I went through my stash and I found all kinds of pretty blue, gold, Christmassy things. I even found some milk caps. This is a real milk cap. A lot of these blue trims came from my friend Miss Kim Newberg. I won one of her giveaways and it included a bunch of blue trim. So this first one, I have this little Tim Holtz girl here, and I thought she was so adorable she had to be the cover. And this little definition came from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and I gave her a pretty sparkle in her hair and some pearls on her belt. I just thought she was so cute. So she's, of course, the cover. She's great. You can write on all of these. The backs are plain, and you can totally write on them. Look at that. I put a strip of music, one of her images, and a definition on that page. Just perfect. They really don't need much embellishment at all. Little pockets, tags with tags in it. And I wanted this to have all kinds of things sticking out, so hence the excuse me, the pile of mess here. That's on purpose. That's a design choice. That's what we're going with. I just wanted to add all kinds of beautiful things to this. Another vintage milk cap and a little Tim Holtz boy with his puppy. Here's a pocket tag from the kit. Sorry, every time I turn the camera on I start coughing. I know it's annoying. I just loved this one. Once I put the sparkly washi tape on here and abundance, I knew it needed a sparkly to dangle over it. I love that. And here's another pocket tag. Look at that. Aren't those gorgeous papers? And a little piece of brocade that I got from Kim as well. Look at these sparkly snowflakes. These came in a Happy Mail. I have no idea where they came from, but they were perfect for this. Just a little flip of trims. There's another milk cap. And then this wax seal is from the Dollar Tree. They had some stickers that were wax seals. So all these circles and words were in the kit, and I thought, oh, that goes just perfect with the other snowflakes. Some lace. Definition of family. And that is a pocket tag. Here's another snowflake charm for the sparkle. And this little cluster I actually got from my friend Claudine this year in my Christmas packet. We do a 25 days of Christmas gift exchange, and that was one of the pieces. Actually, she gave me these blue flatware pieces as well. Another vintage milk cap with a nice rusty staple in it. I made this paper doll into a little pocket, and I used the word Carol from the kit. I'm like, does that mean singing, or is that her name, or is it both? You decide. And then this was one of the tags from the kit. I just could not cover it up. I just love that image. So majestic. And then we come to the last page of the flip, and we have a fabric flip on our tag. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. I really had a lot of fun making this. As I was making each tag, I just kept adding more and more and more. I probably could have went for another week if I didn't have a deadline. So I will have LineDotArrow's information in the description box down below, and the collaboration has a lot of other YouTubers in it, so there'll be a LinkTree where you can go and check out all the other videos, and join us on our Facebook groups as well. Those will be down in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!